Requesting orbital.
Helldiver, you are moving outside the mission area.
Requesting orbital.
Calling down a support weapon. Requesting air support.
Warning, you are leaving the mission area.
Sending in an Eagle.
Enemy tactical asset within threat range.
Sending out an SOS. Air support.
Requesting objective equipment.
New man. Sending in an Eagle.
Take liberty. Package acquired. Dropping package.
New man.
Eagle 1 withdrawing to rearm.
Liberty dispensed.
Affirmative. New man!
Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver.
Last reload! One life for Super Earth!
Enemy tactical asset within threat range.
Requesting advanced weaponry! Orbital inbound! Get to
Objective nearby.
reinforcing!
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Calling in reinforcements!
Automaton facility destroyed. Request approved. Deploy reinforcements.
Tagging map west, 100 meters.
Requesting air support!
Boom! Target down!
Requesting air support. Throwing grenade! Get some! Get some! Fire in the hole!
Objective near your position.
Requesting orbital.
Calling in a hell bomb. Ending in an eagle. You will never destroy our way of life. New mag. Hell bomb on. Clear the area. Reinforcing.
Request approved. Deploying Ultimatum facility destroyed.
Ready to liberate. Last reload. Orbital inbound.
Objective critical stratagem available. 5 minutes left. We guess objective critical stratagem no longer available.
For prosperity.
Objective critical stratagem available. Objective critical
Injury?
stratagem no
What
longer
injury?
Automaton facility destroyed.
Requesting air support. How about a night? Requesting orbital. Sending in an eagle. Requesting orbital.
Outpost clear.
Tagging map. Northeast. 200 meters.
Objective critical stratagem available.
Calling in a hell bomb. Calling in reinforcements. Dropship engaging terminal. Hell bomb. Hell bomb armed. Clear the area. Orbital inbound. Requesting orbital.
You have accomplished liberty's will. Extracted your discretion.
Calling in reinforcements. Spot out spotted. Orbital inbound.
Reinforcing! Requesting air support.
Reinforcements have been launched. Super destroyer leaving low orbit. Emergency extraction shuttle deployed.
That's called democracy!
ETA, T-minus 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Dropping a pin. Southwest. 100 meters.
ETA, T-minus 1 minute.
Helldivers never die! Fire in the hole!
Outpost destroyed.
Throwing grenade! New mag!
ETA, T-minus 30 seconds.
Attacking map. Northeast. 200 meters.
ETA, T-minus 20 seconds.
Dropship!
ETA, T-minus 10 seconds. Clear landing zone.
Elbow! Arm! Clear the area!
This is Pelican 1. I have visual on the extraction zone. Pelican 1 landing sequence initiated. Watch where you're standing. Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff.
Marking extraction point.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Another victory for the right side of history.
Helldiver, glad to have you on board.